Hi guys, welcome to Homemade Food. Thank you for stopping by today. Today we are going to cook delicious, flavorful and nutritious white lentil. For detailed recipe, please stay with us. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The ingredients we need are oil 1/4 cup, white lentil 500 grams, onion paste 250 to 300 grams, tomato paste 400 to 500 grams, whole green chilies 2, sliced green chilies 2 tablespoons, coriander leaves chopped 3 tablespoons, lemon juice 2 tablespoons, lemon slices, cinnamon sticks 2, black cardamom 3, black peppercorns 10 to 12, salt 1/4 teaspoon, black pepper powder 1/4 teaspoon, allspice powder 1/4 teaspoon, ginger powder 1/4 teaspoon, chopped garlic 2 tablespoons, garlic powder 1/4 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, washed tomatoes properly, peeled off tomatoes, roughly chopped and blended into paste. Tomato paste, peeled off onions, washed onions properly, roughly chopped and blended into paste. Onion paste, washed white lentil properly, soaked in lukewarm water for 30 minutes. Boiled white lentil, cooked it up to 60%. Heat up 1/4 cup cooking oil or butter. Add onion paste and fry for 3 to 4 minutes on medium to low flame. Add chopped garlic and fry for 30 seconds. Add 4 whole green chilies and fry for 30 seconds. Add tomato paste and fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Add powdered spices and whole spices. Add sliced green chilies. Fry for 30 seconds. Add boiled white lentil. Fry for 3 minutes on medium to high flame. Set the flame on medium and fry for 3 minutes more. Cover with lid. Set the flame on dead low and let it cook for 2 minutes. Turn off the flame and add lemon juice. Mix well and garnish. Delicious, flavorful and nutritious white lentil is ready to serve now. Enjoy and share with your family, friends and people around you. We hope you will give it a try. Stay blessed and give us your feedback. We will see you in our next video. Take a good care of yourself and people around you. Thanks for watching.